Welcome back, budget bakers. I have another budget baking tip of the day. So we all know how groceries have inflated as far as their pricing goes, right? Everything is so much more expensive than it used to be. There's no need for me to even tell you that. You already know it. So today I am here to talk about how to save money on your eggs. Okay, so if you go to the grocery store and you're looking for organic, free range eggs, sometimes they're $7+ a dozen, maybe 8. It is insane. So what I like to do is I prefer to support local. So I have a local farm that I love to support. I'm supporting local and I'm saving money. So here we have it. I purchase 5 dozen eggs at a time, sometimes 4, sometimes 5, it depends. But this week I purchased 5 dozen eggs. They come to me packaged and unwashed, and I only pay $5 a dozen. These are free range eggs. They're fed with organic feed, and my what do I call him? My egg man meets me because he's local. So we meet just down the street, and that is where I purchase my eggs. So like I said, they come unwashed, which is fine because what I do is I fill up the sink, not even fill it. I just put water in the bottom of the sink, and then I place the eggs in there. And then I take my vegetable brush, and I wash each egg one at a time. I let them dry, and then I put them in the refrigerator. Not only do they taste better, the yolks are brighter, and they last longer, although they really don't last long around here. So there you have it. There's my egg tip. Purchase your eggs from a local farm or a local family that has chickens that sells their eggs. It is the way to go. It's a win-win.